newest single. It's called Time for Me. Let's hear it. Turn up the music in my ear, please. Make time for me, make time for me. You should make time for me, make time for me. You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me. Where you at? Come to me, meet me now. Be overthink too much when I get left to know. Don't tell me I'm busy if I'm priority. Show up, baby, please not let me lonely. What can I take my cleaning just because? Why you give me time and say you'll be trying boys? Try don't keep me waiting. I'm running out of patience. You should make time for me, make time for me.
Everybody hands up!
You should make time for me, make time for me. You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me. Find something on it.
Everybody hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Make time for me, make time for me. If you really want to, you want to get it done. You not dealing with that hurt, so now give me no break up communicate. When I talk too much, but can't feel hear from you every day. You can't call Cinderella, police like Cinderella. Make charge like a Tesla. Spend money, go dance with. Like say that no matter this or that, you know. Me need that time, me need some physical touch. Not excuses. Take time for me, make time for me. You should make time for me, make time for me. You know we make time for the things we want to. So if you really, really want to, you would make time for me, make time for me. You know that it's been a while that I give up cover smile. You said that I'm on your mind. Make time for me, make time for me. Make time for me, baby. Yeah. Sure. Time quality. Time for me, baby. And if you really want me, you are. Bring me time for me. Give it up for my Dixia. Big thing, straight love, straight love. Are you guys a fan of reggae music? You love reggae music? If you love reggae music, say reggae. One of my favorite reggae artists is Bob Marley, yeah? He sings a song that goes something like, one love, one heart. Ooh, I like this. We're gonna have to do another rendition. What do you say?
Let's go.
Where's your fire, Scott? This one's for the ladies. Let's hear it. No woman, no cry. Yes. No woman, no cry.
Ready?
I wanna sing to you guys. Woman, no cry. Let's go. Said I remember when we used to sing in the government yard in Trenchtown. Over
beautiful ladies on stage right now. Can we get some ladies on stage right now?
You come on.
Who wants to join shit out on stage? Jump, let's go, ladies.
I need two more kids here. You coming? Are you sick? Bring her up, bring her up, bring her up, bring her up, bring her up. Bring her up, bring her up. Jump over the fence, baby girl. Ooh, you. You know what you're coming out here to do right now?
You got to have some fun, get out here. Party time, okay.
I need one more. She don't want to go. She running. She hiding. Where? Her? She's shy. She's shy. Ooh. Her? Send her up. Send her up. Send her up.
Water, water. We ready to have some fun. Remember, if you ready to have some fun in there, you say yeah, yeah.
You want one more? Alright, bring her, bring her. Just one more. One card.
Wild card, let's go. We gonna have some fun with one now.
Come here, ladies. Come here.
Something like you've never seen before.
Stand beside me.
Stay nice.
Level. What is your name?
Amandi.
Amonti. Is Amonti a wifey or a side chick name?
Side
What
chick.
are you? Are you a wife or are you a side chick? You are a chef? You're a wife or a side chick? Not yet. We shall know. So you are single? We gonna let Amonti leave here with her husband tonight. What is your name? Italia. Italia. What a beautiful name. Where are you from?
Uganda.
Italia. Amonti. What is your name?
Promise,
Promise. Where are you from?
Uganda.
What's your name?
Lena,
Lena, where are you from?
Rwanda.
I don't know. She's just like this. I think because we're in Rwanda, we should let Lena go first.
I like that.
Let it go. Rwanda, give it up for Rwanda, dog. If you wanna see next, let me hear you say next. Drop that back again.
Who's next? Uganda.
That's why we give men like you hit and run. Who took it home tonight, Rwanda? Was it Rwanda? Was it Uganda? Was it Uganda? Okay, wait. We can't have a tie right now. Was it her? Was it her? Or was it her? Give it up for Uganda! Thank you so much, my ladies. Thank you so much for rocking out with me. Thank you. Take a selfie. Okay, go on. We gotta keep the show going. You know, Kigali, I didn't come here all the way for nothing, you know? I came here to enjoy myself with you guys tonight. Are you guys enjoying yourselves with me? I got a surprise for y'all. Let's go and roll out the man.